The Legend of Zelda Echoes of Wisdom is releasing soon. But you know what else is pretty cool? AI video generator. Just look at these images I was able to generate using Wondershare Virbo. I've combined celebrities with Zelda characters. Isn't that cool? It's definitely my new favorite AI generator. And guess what? It's the easiest thing in the world. Like, no joke. You don't need any Photoshop skills, no PC required. Super easy, only took a few seconds, and I did it all on my phone. Let me show how you guys can also do this very easily. So let's go step by step. First, you want to go to the App Store and search for Virbo. Here it is right here. Of course, I already downloaded, so I'm just gonna press open. And then it's gonna take you to a login or sign up page. Super easy. You can also go through Google like login to make it even easier. Then you want to tap on AI tools. Wondershare Virbo has many tools, as you can see. But in today's video, we're gonna be looking at this one, AI photo generator, the first one on the top. Now you have AI filters. You can choose from one of these, but let's just go straight to AI image, and then we're gonna write out a prompt. On the top here, we're just gonna write some kind of prompt like we can do. I'll show you guys in a second what we're gonna do. But as you can see on the bottom here, we also can pick a style. So let's do neon punk. And then right here, you can select your resolution. Now, 1:1 is just a square, just a normal square. Whereas 9:16 is like the phone resolution, but you know, like vertical. So this would be like a YouTube video, but then this would be like a short. That's kind of the resolution there. And then you got 3:4, which is kind of like a square, but a little bit wider. But we're gonna stick with the 9:16. So let's do neon punk style, and I'm gonna describe. Let's write the. Hold on, let me put my microphone down real quick. I want to do Ryan Gosling. I don't know if that's how you spell his name, but whatever. Is Link from The Legend of Zelda. Generate and then see what we get. Oh, there we go. Yo, look at that. That's not too bad, but I've seen this app do even better. Like if I just go back right now, I was playing around with another prompt. I did Cristiano Ronaldo is Superman, and look at this. Like, this is insane. He even kind of looks like Superman. Like, look at the way they did his face, like the way they did his hairstyle too. Bro, it's very good. I don't know how it does it. Let's try another one real quick. Let's do Selena Gomez is Princess Zelda. Let's see. Oh wait, what style? Should we do anime? Let's do cinematic. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Dude, that's actually really good. Look, Matilde, look at this. So this is an AI image generator. I did Selena Gomez as Princess, the Princess of Zelda. Look at that. Ooh. Right? Doesn't that look pretty good? Yeah. Like it actually looks like her. Like how did they get her face so just like her? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Let's just play around some more prompts. I have a few ideas here. I want to do like The Rock, you know, like Dwayne The Rock Johnson holding a rock. And let's keep it anime style. And then let's do this resolution. Let's see what comes up. No way. What? This is like exactly what I asked. It's Dwayne The Rock Johnson holding a rock in an anime style. Like exactly what you would imagine. Look at that. What? That's so good. How does it know? Okay, I have a perfect next prompt. Cristiano Ronaldo and Leon Messi hugging. Look at that. There they are. They're hugging. Look, even on the shirt, it kind of says, yeah, it says Messi on the shirt. Yeah, look, Messi, and that's Ronaldo. What? That's like, it actually looks like a photo, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually shocked. Like, how does it? And it actually looks like they're hugging. Oh, and one last thing that's pretty cool. After you generate an image, so let's take the Cristiano Ronaldo Superman image, for example. You can use this tool called Talking Photo, which makes the photo move and say whatever you type. So we're gonna type this. And at the end, let's put Cristiano Ronaldo's signature celebration. And now let's select many different voices in many different languages too. Okay, now let's press generate.
Hello. You can also try this by clicking the link below.
You guys can also generate images just like I have done right here. Unlike every other AI generator that I've used so far, yeah, this is definitely the best one. Click down below in the description to download Wondershare Virbo.